Yes, so I just had a message from my friend Morgan, More Prime. Make sure you follow him if you're into fashion, sneakers and shit. So of all people, Morgan's like, yo, Guildford, so about half an hour from me, car meet tonight, let's go. Let's go, I'm going. So I jumped in the Nissan. Lucky I gave it a real shitty wash today. I mean shitty, like real shit. But anyway, jumped straight in the car. It starts in 5 minutes, but I think there's quite a few people there already. I'm on my way. I'm about 20 minutes away now. So let's see what this meet has to offer. And actually, this is the first meet this year I'm taking the Nissan, so it's pretty cool. Last year it was Krispy Kreme's, the first outing, and I literally only just put it together. So let's see how tonight turns out. Also, I'm shooting on my my new camera on my G7X. Let's see how that does in low light, because it's 8 o'clock now and it's going to get dark. So I don't know how much I'll get to show you guys, but I'll try to show you as much as I can. I only brought this camera, so no big deal. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. I'm here. This is mad. This reminds me of the old school no rise days when we used to come actually here. It's mad, like Revy and Poppy and Pop and Bangy. Plus I met up with somebody who I'll bring you something with this guy soon. You guys will recognize him. You 300ZX guys will know who this is, but I think me and him need to plan something. So if you know, you know. If you know, you know. I'll say follow him, but you already fucking follow him, right? So follow me. Follow me. Hey, tell him to follow me.
Follow him.
Mexican Fab, Mexican Fab, follow me.
Trucks with like sick cars. The first one, I just didn't get the video in time. Had R34 Skyline with the same livery as the Fast and Furious one. It was sick.
Actually, this camera's pretty sick. I'm in the car park. It's 10:30. It's raining. It's fucking dark. And you can see me clearly. This is fucking sick. This camera's sick. Anyway, guys, light was a bit. Walking around, I met the Kaiser, like I said, something coming up big with him. Super nice guy. I'll link him below. I'll show, check his Instagram, but I'm sure you already follow him. Follow me. You already follow him because he's fucking sick. Anyway, hope you like the meet. Anybody that's watching that was here, you lot fucking hooligans. Apart from that, take it easy guys. It's just a quick sort of spur of the moment thing, so it wasn't super planned. So hasta la vista baby, goodbye.